Funimate, a popular short-form video creation app, offers various opportunities for users to earn money. In 2024, with the rise of short-form video content, Funimate's monetization features are expected to become even more lucrative. Here are 12 ways to make money with Funimate in 2024. 1. Join the Funimate Creator Fund. Funimate's Creator Fund is a program that rewards users with cash bonuses for creating engaging content. To join, users must apply and meet certain criteria, such as having a minimum of 10,000 followers and 50,000 views. 2. Collaborate with brands. Funimate offers various brand partnership opportunities, such as sponsored content, product reviews, and brand ambassador programs. Users can apply for these partnerships through the app's partnership program. 3. Use Funimate's in-app monetization features. Funimate offers various in-app monetization features, such as in-video ads, sponsored content, and virtual items. Users can enable these features in their settings and earn money based on the number of views and engagement their content receives. 4. Participate in Funimate's challenges and contests. Funimate regularly hosts challenges and contests with cash prizes. Users can participate in these challenges and contests to win cash rewards. 5. Sell merchandise. Funimate allows users to sell merchandise such as t-shirts, hoodies, and phone cases through its partnership with Shopify. Users can create their own merchandise and earn a commission on each sale. 6. Use Funimate's affiliate marketing program. Funimate offers an affiliate marketing program that allows users to earn a commission on sales made through their unique referral link. Users can promote Funimate's products and services to their followers and earn a commission on each sale. 7. Use Funimate's virtual items. Funimate offers various virtual items, such as stickers, filters, and effects, that users can purchase with real money. Users can create content using these virtual items and earn money based on the number of views and engagement their content receives. 8. Use Funimate's live streaming feature. Funimate offers a live streaming feature that allows users to earn money through virtual gifts and tips. Users can enable this feature in their settings and earn money based on the number of gifts and tips they receive. 9. Use Funimate's partnership program. Funimate offers various partnership opportunities with brands, such as product reviews, sponsored content, and brand ambassador programs. Users can apply for these partnerships through the app's partnership program. 10. Use Funimate's influencer marketing program. Funimate offers an influencer marketing program that allows users to earn money by promoting Funimate's products and services to their followers. Users can apply for this program through the app's partnership program. 11. Use Funimate's content licensing program. Funimate offers a content licensing program that allows users to earn money by licensing their content to third-party platforms such as TV networks and streaming services. Users can apply for this program through the app's partnership program. 12. Use Funimate's content syndication program. Funimate offers a content syndication program that allows users to earn money by syndicating their content to third-party platforms such as YouTube and TikTok. Users can apply for this program through the app's partnership program.